What if I told you there's a new AI tool that can create viral-style videos for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts in minutes, without filming yourself, without editing skills, and without spending hours trying to figure out what works? Sounds crazy, right? But ViralMotion AI is claiming to do exactly that. So the real question is ViralMotion AI actually worth it? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? In this honest review, I'll show you exactly what it does, how it works, and how you can get my exclusive bonus bundle free if you decide to try it. If you've ever struggled to create content that gets views, engagement, and actual results, you're not alone. Most people spend hours creating videos that get ignored. That's where tools like ViralMotion AI come in. Let's break down exactly what it is. What is ViralMotion AI? ViralMotion AI is a cloud-based AI video creation platform designed to help you create high-engagement viral-style videos, optimized for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Instead of recording videos, editing manually, and guessing what might go viral, ViralMotion AI uses artificial intelligence to generate videos, hooks, and content optimized for attention and engagement. Everything runs inside your browser. No downloads, no complicated setup. Just log in and start creating. Benefits. Why this tool is getting attention. Here's why people are interested in ViralMotion AI. First, it saves massive amounts of time. What normally takes hours can now be done in minutes. Second, it removes the technical barrier. You don't need video editing skills, expensive software, or experience. Third, it's built specifically for short-form viral content. Short-form video is dominating every platform right now. More views means more traffic, leads, sales, and growth. And tools like ViralMotion AI help simplify the process. Inside ViralMotion AI, what you actually get. Inside ViralMotion AI, you'll find tools designed to help you create engaging videos faster. AI video generator, viral optimized templates, automated captions and formatting, ready-to-use video styles, content ideas, and hooks. This means you don't have to guess what to create. The system helps guide you. Whether you're a beginner or experienced creator, the interface is simple and easy to use. Results in AMP. Real-world use cases. People use ViralMotion AI for different purposes, including growing YouTube Shorts channels, creating TikTok content, promoting affiliate products, driving traffic to websites, and building personal brands. The key advantage is speed and consistency. When you can create content faster, you increase your chances of getting results. One important thing is that ViralMotion AI comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it and decide if it works for you, with reduced risk. This gives users confidence to test it themselves. If you decide to get ViralMotion AI through the link below, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you get results faster. Bonus number 1, DFY Viral Video Templates Pack. Value, $297. You'll get ready-to-use high-retention templates designed to increase watch time and engagement. Bonus number 2, High-Converting Niche Hooks and AMP. Ideas Pack. Value, $197. This includes proven hooks, video ideas, and content angles for popular niches like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, business, and motivation. These bonuses alone can significantly speed up your progress. If you want to create short-form videos faster, without complicated editing, and leverage AI to simplify the process, ViralMotion AI is definitely worth considering, especially with the 30-day guarantee and free bonus bundle included. Click the link in the description below to check availability and secure your bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.